Hi, I'm Richard Cains and welcome to Marine Parts TV. Marine Parts TV is a platform we've created to provide you with technical tips, how-to information, product reviews and answer any of your boating questions. Over the next few months I'll be joined by several leading experts in the New Zealand marine industry along with a variety of guests. Submit your questions to support@promptparts.co.nz and you too could be one of those guests. To follow Marine Parts TV, click on the link below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also find us on social media or go directly to our website promptparts.co.nz. We look forward to hearing from you.